So that's your N and your R. So this is 6 factorial over 6 minus 4 and minus R factorial. And then because it's a combination, it has another 4 factorial there. So that's 6 factorial over 6 minus 4, which is 2 factorial. And then we still have the 4 factorial. Now it's perfectly fine to type this into your calculator. Just make sure you put parentheses around the 2 factorial and the 4 factorial on the bottom. Remember, to get to that, you go to the math button, cursor over to PRB, and it's number 4. Take a picture of it so I have it here. So there's what it looks like plugging it into your calculator. Let me know if that's not what you got. You can't figure out what you did wrong.
I didn't put the parentheses.
Oh, okay. That happens. It will change your answer. So you have to put parentheses whenever there's more than one factorial. You have to put them together. Did that fix it for you? Are you still working on it?
Working on it.
Okay, that's cool.
I forgot to open parentheses.
Isn't that something? How it's just like one little thing and it just like completely changes the answer.
Yeah, that fixed it.
Okay, cool. Questions? Okay, wonderful. Now again, for work, like for a test or for your homework, I would need to see at least that much. Yes, sir.
You said the bigger number is always in?
Yes.
I wasn't here yesterday, but I probably need to watch the notes.
Yeah, that would probably help. Okay, so you try this one. And make sure you write down at least as much as I need you to. I'm not trying to trick you. This is a combination. There's only 5 seats left, and I didn't say that any of them were in first class or anything, so it doesn't really matter. Order doesn't matter. a commercial airline is seating passengers. With a few minutes to go before takeoff, there are 9 passengers who are flying standby and wish to get seats. So if you've never flown, or if you just don't know what that is, flying standby just means that a lot of times it means they've overbooked the plane. And so when you're just hoping to be able to get on the plane, that, some people don't show up or whatever. So that's what happened. 5 people didn't show up, so there's 5 available seats, and there's 9 passengers, and we're supposed to determine the number of different ways a group of 5 people can be selected from the 9 to board the plane. So it's a combination of 9 choose 5, which would be 9 factorial over 9 minus 5 factorial, and then 5 factorial. So that's 9 factorial over 4 factorial, 5 factorial. This is what I have to have for your work. And what did you guys give for the answer there?
126.
Yes. Anybody need to see it typed in? It's totally cool if you do. Or need me to come look at it? Okay. And this one we're going to do together because it's a little bit different. There are 8 men and 6 women. 2 men and 2 women must be chosen to be on a committee. How many different ways can people be chosen? This is a combination because it doesn't matter what order you're in. Now, the way I could change this to a permutation problem is if I said the first person picked would be the chairperson, then order would make a difference. But since it's just 2 and 2, it doesn't matter. Now, what people want to do is they want to say, okay, then that's 14, choose 4. But unfortunately, I can't just pick any 4, because if I have 14, choose 4, it could be 4 men or 4 women. It has to be 2 of them are men and 2 of them are women. So I'm going to have to do these separately and then use the basic counting principle, which just means you multiply them together to get your answer. So for the 8 men, it's a combination of 8 choose 2. And for the 6 women, it's a combination of 6 choose 2. And then those 2 answers we're going to multiply together.